In this video, you will learn how to get pay stubs from Paylocity. First, log in. Visit the Paylocity website or open your mobile app and log in using your company ID, username and password. Then, navigate to the Paylocity section. On your desktop, go to your self-service portal and find the Pay section. On the mobile app, tap the Pay icon in the bottom of your screen. Access Pay History. Click on the checks at the dot in desktop or tap History on the mobile app to view your pay history. Select the desired pay stub. Choose a specific paycheck date you want to access and view. Download or print. On desktop, click Download Pay Stub. It will be saved as a PDF, or right-click to print it off. On the mobile app, tap Envelope icon to email the pay stub to yourself. Contact HR for assistance. If you're having trouble accessing your pay stub, you can contact your company's HR and payroll department and they will be able to help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.